Hello, my name is Shamit Dixon and welcome to my channel. I am a mixed media artist and I live in Colorado, and I want to welcome you to my channel. I love to create all types of arts and I believe that everyone is creative. So I really hope that you find lots of inspiration on my channel, and thank you so much for stopping by.
You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you, I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there, 'cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something, yes, I know we've been together for so long.